Alright, so like this is how to give him butterflies, yeah. Yo, bestie, if I were you, I'll save this video for later just in case because you may need this video later. And make sure you follow me to become besties, like always. Okay, for number one, it's special type of hug, right? This hug is gonna make him fall in love. It's gonna give him butterflies. It's gonna make him go, oh yeah. And that right there is the neck hug. What the hell's a neck hug? Bestie, I got you. A neck hug is basically like when you go on your little tippy toes or whatever and wrap your arms around his neck like, oh my god! Guys love physical contact, guys love intimate stuff, and this hug feels the most intimate. Like, trust me, it feels super intimate, and he's gonna like give super butterflies in his stomach. The next thing you want to do is basically when you guys are walking, don't hold his hand, hold his arm. Like, Because again, like I said, guys love physical touch more than girls. Well, I don't know. Some girls like physical touch. I mean, I don't know. The next thing you want to do is compliment him, like random compliments, super random compliments. You can be like, "Damn, you look so good today, baby," or whatever, right? You feel me? Like super random compliments. We're gonna get like super butterflies in our stomach, and go like, "Oh."